So a customer contacted me because the window doesn't shut properly. It comes out. So I've removed the old hinges and I'm ready to install the new ones. So new hinges have been installed. Now everything locks nice and tight. So second job of the day, we've got the handle won't return to full position. So taking off the handle, the spring cassette had just disintegrated and there was only one on the inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace both of them. Right, so this is it replaced. So it now spins back where it needs to. There we go, so that's all repaired to the customer. Returns back to normal. So third job of the day, we've got a hinge that's completely come apart. I spoke to the owner. Unfortunately it's the restrictor that's caused that to pull out. So once it stops at 90 degrees, people keep pushing it and it's just popped that out, but it's completely broken the frame. So I spoke to the owner, and as the cheapest version possible, instead of replacing the whole door, is we're going to move this hinge slightly lower down, see how much life we can get out of it, and then replace the doors once this fails again. So moved the hinges down from there to there, re-secured them. Now the door shuts nicely, locks nicely. I'll smooth this off in a second. So the fourth job of the day, there's a lockout. The keys are on the inside. So there we go, doors all open. So fifth job of the day, we've got to replace the front door lock with a new Yale British Standard night latch. That's the door all stripped down, ready for the new one to go in. There we go, completed, brand new British Standard night latch. Job number 6 today is replacing the Euro barrel. There we go, new lock supplied and installed with 5 keys as standard. Alright, so this is sixth job of the day, replacing Euro barrel, new thumb turn. And there we go, that's all completed. New 3-star British Standard lock supplied with 5 keys as standard. And time for a well-deserved cup of tea, I think.